Hello everyone, welcome to Profound EduTech. So we are back with yet another exciting campus update. And before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon in order to receive all our updates regularly and instantly. So dear students, we are pleased to inform you that we, Profound EduTech, are arranging Mega Campus by MNC Deloitte for 2020, 2019 and 2018 batch freshers, and we are here to provide the information about the same. This is a short introduction about Deloitte. Deloitte, it is a leading British multinational company. It is a leading global provider of audit and assurance consulting, financial, risk advisory and related services. They have more than 3 lakhs employees working across the globe. Deloitte Consulting helps their clients transform their businesses using latest technologies. So you may find more information about them on their website, which is deloitte.com. So, as mentioned earlier, we Profound EduTech are arranging Mega Campus by Deloitte for trained freshers of 2020, 2019 and 18 batch. As far as eligible qualifications are concerned, BTech, ME, MTech and MCA students are eligible to apply, and their specializations should be from CS, that is computer, IT, ENTC, electronics or electrical. And as far as marks are concerned, candidates are expected to have 60% throughout their education. So these are the job profiles which Deloitte is offering to the freshers through this campus drive. They are Java freshers, .NET freshers, software testing freshers and Python freshers. These are the skills they are looking for. Excellent knowledge of at least one of the technologies which are Java or testing or .NET or Python. Then you should also have a good knowledge of HTML, JavaScript, database, SQL, etc. And candidates are expected to have completed course and be trained in at least one of the above technologies, which is either Java or testing or .NET or Python. This is the selection process. The entire process is going to be virtual, online. The first round is of online test, which comprises of aptitude, English, and technical sections. Once you are able to clear the online test, then you will have technical interview followed by HR interview. Just to inform you, we have recently placed 14 students in Deloitte already. Yes, these are the further details. As far as salary is concerned, they are offering from 2.5 lakhs per annum and onwards. Joining is immediate. The job location is Hyderabad or Bengaluru. And yes, till the time of COVID-19, you are going to work from home only. And virtual campus date will be in December 2020. The exact details of which will be informed to the registered eligible students. In order to get more details and to apply for this campus drive, do visit bit.ly slash Deloitte Profound, DELOITTE I repeat, the URL for applying for this campus drive is bit.ly slash DELOITTEPROFOUND. So this URL is case sensitive. Make sure you enter the correct URL in the address bar of your browser. So do visit this registration form. Do fill up this registration form on this URL in order to apply for this campus drive. Also share these details with your friends, your classmates, so that even they can be benefited. So we hope that you have been liking all our videos, our initiatives. So Profound EduTech, we are predominantly an IT training company, rather top IT training company, and along with quality trainings, we are well known for strong placement support also. We have placed more than 5,500 freshers in last few years, and the trained students by Profound in various technologies like full stack, Java, .NET testing, Python, machine learning, data science. They all get exclusive placement support. So do enroll for our courses today itself. We are offering special Diwali discounts which are given in this flyer, and we start new batches almost every week, and we have both online as well as offline batches coming up in November as well as December. So in order to get more details, you may call on the given numbers. It's 89830 12051 or 52. This is the snapshot of our most popular course of full stack Java developer, which contains your programming fundamentals right from basics C, C++, database, OS networking, then entire Java track where we cover core Java, web-based Java, and frameworks including Spring, Spring Boot, Hibernate, etc. Then in the front end part, we go to web design as well as Angular 8. We also have Express.js, Node.js, MongoDB, Python, software testing within the same course. And we also offer aptitude soft skills complementary with these courses. And you'll also get a live project to work on with certificate and internship later. So you may visit our website www.profoundedutech.com in order to go through all the detailed contents. The advantage of this full stack Java developer course is you will get, once you do this course, you will get placement support on all the technologies. When the companies they come to recruit our students, they want either Java trained students or .NET trained students or testing trained students, Python trained students, etc. So as you can see, we have covered many technologies within the same course. Java is covered, of course. C, C++ is also covered. Angular is covered. Testing is covered in the same full stack diploma course, right? So these students, those who do this full stack Java developer course, they get all the campus placements right from Java, testing, Python, Angular, etc. This is a similar course in software testing. These are highlights of our courses. The first and the most important one is live trainings by senior trainers. Yes, all our trainings are live trainings, whether online or offline, and our senior trainers, experts are in front of you when you will be trained. Next, you will get trained on multiple technologies, programming languages in the same course. As we have seen under the full stack Java developer course, we have multiple technologies covered in the same course, so that you will be job ready with multiple skills. Next is hands-on approach with daily assignments and real-world projects. Yes, we give a lot of importance to hands-on knowledge, and we have daily assignments in the labs. Also, you have lab trainers who will guide you in the assignments. Whatever you learn, you will implement it on real-world projects. You will get entire guidance for projects, interactive sessions with questions and answers. Exactly, because since all our trainings are live trainings, there is a lot of interaction possible during the training sessions, and all your queries, questions, doubts, they are solved runtime on the go. And yes, of course, the most important, daily exclusive campus drives only for profound trained students. Yes, our students, they get daily exclusive campus drives. You might be seeing few drives like Excel Dynamics and Deloitte, which we are doing open campus, for which we are doing open campus. Hardly 3, 4, 5% of campus which we arrange, they are open campus. Rest all 90-95% campus drives, they are only for profound trained students in various technologies like Java, Angular, testing, Python, etc. So do enroll for our courses in order to get quality training along with exclusive 100% placement support. So be in touch with us on all our social platforms. We have 51,000 plus likes to our Facebook page. Do like our Facebook page where we keep on posting our regular updates. Yes, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon. We are also available on Telegram, and as far as website is concerned, it is www.profoundedutech.com. So thank you so much, dear students, for watching this video, and hope to see you soon once again with one more. Do not forget to apply for Deloitte if you are eligible, and also share the information with your friends, classmates, etc. Thank you so much.